to take and subscribe to those oaths. And thereafter, it may please you to give your message to her. I would like now to call upon the Right Honorable Rebecca Kadaga to come forward and take her oath.
Bebe. Camila. I, Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I shall faithfully exercise the functions of the Deputy Prime Minister of Uganda and shall uphold, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution and observe the laws of Uganda, and that I shall promote the welfare of the people of Uganda. So help me God. I, Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga, being appointed Deputy Prime Minister of Uganda, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will at all times well and truly serve the Republic of Uganda in the office of the Deputy Prime Minister, and I will support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established. And I will, to the best of my judgment, at all times when required, freely give my counsel and advice to the President of Uganda and his successors in office as by law established for the good management of the public affairs of the Republic of Uganda, and that I will not directly or indirectly reveal any matter as shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my duties and committed to my secrecy. So help me God.